So the term healthy eating gets thrown around so much, and I think it can be very misleading and confusing and oftentimes even contradictory. So today we're going to talk about what the heck healthy eating is so that we can clear up some of this confusion. Let's get started. So if you go to a group and you ask, what is healthy eating to you? You might get answers like gluten-free, clean eating, vegetarian, vegan, low calorie, Mediterranean diet, paleo, organic, raw foods, keto, South Beach diet, low fat, or anti-inflammatory. But if you take a look at this list, not all of these can really exist together. Some of them actually contradict each other directly. And that's like super confusing because you can't beat all of these. So what the heck is healthy? So let me offer you a solution on how to approach the term healthy, because I think we kind of have to start rethinking how we approach this concept so that we can have a lifestyle that we follow, that we enjoy, that's also healthy. So the way I see it is healthy is a very broad concept. I use this concept of healthy as a framework on how I approach food and exercise, my body, my thinking, and all of that comes together so that I can create a happy place and a happy lifestyle that's free of inflammation and free of guilt about the foods that I'm choosing. So in a way, I think healthy should equate to being good for your body, whatever that means for you. So then if we take that definition and we apply it to the term healthy, that means that healthy does not mean the following: starving yourself, hating yourself, guilt about the food you're eating, obsession about the food you're eating highly processed foods, overeating fake sugars, overeating in general, putting yourself down, eating foods just because you think they're healthy or because marketing tells you that they're healthy, unrealistic expectations, and not enjoying yourself. My goal for you is to have a very clear understanding of what your body needs in order to function at its best and to be free of inflammation, pain, and guilt. I want you to find what foods bring you joy and satisfaction, what foods to avoid in high amounts, what foods to nourish your body, and also what internal thoughts you can be having for yourself so that you are in a positive place around food and nutrition and your body and weight loss and that whole healthy lifestyle that you're looking for. Honestly, it all starts with your mind, and then that turns into your choice, and then that turns into the food and the exercise and how you behave and carry out what your mind is telling you to do. And many of us have been talking so negatively to ourselves for so long. We have all these things telling us what we can't do, how overweight we are, how we'll never make progress, how you have to go to extreme measures in order to lose any weight, and that dieting is awful and supposed to be miserable. And just like I said in my recent video on the Cleanish movement, none of that has to be true. Really, learning how to live a healthy lifestyle comes from improving your relationship with food, with your family, with your friends, and with your mind. And that means you can actually eat these bad foods that we're hearing about and still be healthy as long as you have a plan around it and you have a healthy relationship and approach to the food that you're choosing. So I want you to really start thinking on how you approach the term healthy, how you approach this healthy lifestyle. Listen to the voice that's inside your head when you're eating and when you're exercising and when you're weighing yourself. And all of those times, are they negative? Are they positive? Kind of start recognizing all the things that are going on in our heads. We all do it, and we can all change it for the positive. I also encourage you to have an open mind with the concept of healthy. So many of us, because of marketing or past experience or successes or failures, think we already know what healthy is. But in reality, healthy is whatever you choose to make it, and there's no one solution for everybody. So share in the comments below because I really want to know, what is a healthy food that brings you joy? And I'll see you in the next video.